Cucumber here. So I have another unboxing video for you guys, and I'm really excited for this one. This has some rare plushies in here that I'm excited to show you guys. So I'm just gonna get into it and start opening this up. It literally just arrived and came from Japan. So just open this up, show you guys what I have in here. There should be 6 plushies in here. So let me open this up and show you guys what I got in here. I've been wanting these for a while. Okay. So let me start off with this one over here. It's Naruto. Okay. This is the Banpresto one. Forget what year he's from, but he's pretty cool. So let me open him up. You guys can get a close-up of him. Okay, sorry for all the noise. And here he is, Naruto Banpresto. Really cute. This is him using the Nine Tails power. Yay! Okay, so I'll put him right here. Let me get the next one. Alright guys, this is the one that I'm really excited to show you. Put this over here. Some Sonic plushies that I have here. Okay, I'm just gonna open this up really quick. Lucky enough, I was able to get all 3 of the Sanei plushies. Sanei, which however you want to pronounce it. Here's Tails. So these are the 8-inch ones, and I've been wanting these for the longest time. Trying to find them, and finally found all 3 of them. And got them for like 30 bucks each, which is not bad at all. And here's Sonic. Still with the tag. How cute is he? Oh my gosh. So happy. I love Sanei plushes. The quality's really good. Yay! I don't have any Tails plush at all. I've been waiting to get this one. That's why I've held off on buying any. And here's Sonic. Okay, let me open this guy up. I'm so happy I got these. I know these are hard to come by, but here he is. His muzzle is a little off, but he's so cute. Here's his tag. Isn't he adorable? He's tinier than what I thought, but still really, really cool. Okay. I feel like Tails is bigger than him. And here is Amy Rose. Almost poked a hole in her feet. Here she is. She's adorable. Oh, so cute. Really, really nice quality. There she is. She's so tiny. I love it though. So yeah, this unboxing video is going to be made up of Sonic plushes and Naruto plushes. And here's the next Naruto plush. Also from Banpresto. Yeah, this looks cool. Look at that. I love his eyes. They're really blue. He's so cute. So I'm pretty sure he's going to be replacing my main Naruto because mine is fake and this is a real one. There you go. This is from 2006. So cute. Okay, and then one last one that I'm so excited for. I never knew I would ever get. But here it is. Oh my gosh, from Naruto. Do you know who it is? a girl. Eesh. Sorry for all the noise again. It's Sakura Shippuden GE version. Finally. I never ever like thought I would ever get her. She's like impossible to find. But here she is. Brand new. Sakura Shippuden. So awesome. Amazing. Look at that. She's tall, pretty tall. I feel like she's maybe 9 inches maybe. But yeah, I got her. So I got these 3 from Naruto. And then these 3 from Sonic. I'm excited for these. So happy I got these. So yeah, here's my rare unboxing video. And I got these pretty cheap. I think they were all less than 30 or 30. I know one of them was 12. Not including shipping. And I got them from a Japanese auction. And pretty good condition. They came pretty fast. And yeah, I love them. I'm gonna give them a lot of love. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know if you have any questions or anything. Do you guys have any of these? Let me know. Alright. Thank you guys. Bye bye. QQ.